Money, a word that changes the heartbeat the moment we hear it. For some, money is a dream. For others, a necessity. And for some, it's just a piece of paper. But there is one question that very few people ask themselves. What is money really? Is money happiness? Is money the root of all evil? Or is money just an illusion that the whole world is running after? In today's video, we won't look at money from the perspective of the rich, nor from the perspective of the poor, but from the perspective of reality. Watch this video till the end, because at the end, I'll share something that schools, colleges, and even universities don't teach. First, let's talk about what the definition of money is, and what money actually is. Money is not actually a thing. Money is a system. Money is a promise that you have given value to someone, and in return, you have earned the right to receive something in the future. In ancient times, there was no money. People exchanged goods for goods. For example, one person had wheat, another had milk, wheat in exchange for milk. But the problem was, what if the other person didn't want milk at all? This is where the need for money arose. Money became a medium, a way to store value. Now let's talk about the history of money and where money came from. In the beginning, money took the form of stones, shells, gold, silver. Then coins were made, then paper notes. And today, money is just numbers on a mobile screen. You may have millions in the bank, but in reality, you haven't seen a single note. This teaches us one thing. Money is not reality, it is trust. When trust ends, money ends too. Now, let's talk about why people fail to understand money. Because we are taught the wrong lessons about money. From childhood, we are told, 1. Money is a bad thing. 2. Having too much money is greed. 3. Rich people are frauds. 4. Money takes away peace. But the real question is money itself bad, or is it the person who uses it? With a knife, you can cut vegetables, and you can also harm someone. So is the knife to blame or the hand holding it? Now let's talk about the truth. Is money actually a tool? Exactly, just like a mobile phone, a car, the internet. The person who understands it controls all these tools. The one who doesn't understand becomes a slave to all these tools. The truth is, if you don't control money, money will control your life. Now, after this, let's talk about the difference between the mindset of the poor and the rich. The poor mindset says, I need money. I'll get a job as long as I keep getting a salary. The rich mindset says, how does money work? How can I build a system? How can money work for me? Rich people don't chase money, they create value, and money comes to them automatically. Now let's talk about how money moves. Money never stops. It always wants to move. Money that is held back becomes weak, inflation. Money that is put to work grows. This is why the rich invest, the poor only spend. Now let's talk about the biggest illusion, the job. This is a bitter truth, but it is true. A job doesn't make you secure, a job makes you dependent. The purpose of a job is not to earn money, but to survive. Rich people don't quit their jobs, they think beyond the job. Do you know where money comes from? Money comes from solving problems, providing value, making people's lives easier. The bigger the problem, the bigger the money you will earn. Now let's learn about money and power. Money gives power, but without character, power turns into destruction. That's why in the world there are rich people, but they are restless. Money doesn't solve problems, money amplifies you. If there is greed inside, it will grow. If there is goodness inside, that will grow. The real education that no one teaches. School teaches you how to memorize, how to follow orders, but it doesn't teach 1. How to earn money, 2. How to save money, 3. How to grow money. This is why even educated people remain in financial trouble their whole life. The real secret of money is not the goal, money is the means. The one who makes money the goal is never happy. The one who makes money the means becomes free. True wealth is knowledge, skills, mindset, time. Always value these 4 things and you will succeed in life. Now ask yourself one question. Am I chasing money or am I understanding money? Remember, money is a servant that only obeys a wise master. If you want money to work for you, the first thing you must do is change your mindset. Because money is made not in the hands, but in the mind.